Chapter 2 Maps. Our Guides. We have learnt about the globe in the previous lesson. The globe gives us very accurate idea about the location of various places on the earth. It shows the perfect shape of the earth and also represents it truly. In spite of all these qualities, globe has some limitations. It is difficult to carry globe from one place to another. Apart from this, the globe shows only the broad features of the earth. It is difficult to study about the minute and intricate details of the earth through the globe. Due to these drawbacks of the globe, maps are prepared. Maps. A map is a representation of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface according to a scale. Maps do not represent the earth's surface as accurately as globes. But the globes cannot replace maps because maps show selected features such as mountains, hills, plateaus, plains, mountain ranges, rivers and valleys. Maps are very handy. They can be rolled or can be folded and kept in bags or pockets. Maps express information through lines, colors, shapes and other symbols. These symbols form the language of the map. These symbols stand for such features as mountains, rivers, roads, cities, etc. The book of maps is called an atlas. It contains different types of maps showing physical features, countries, states, climate, agricultural areas, industries, cities, towns, rivers, and so on. Types of maps. Physical maps. A physical map shows the physical features of an area like mountains, rivers, lakes, oceans, etc. Political maps. A political map shows the boundaries of continents, countries, states, and cities. Climate maps. This map shows us the climate, rain and snow in Bharat. Different colors show different climatic zones. Road maps. This map shows highways, roads, airports, railroad tracks, cities, etc. in Bharat. We use road map to find directions when we travel in our country. Fact to know. A map which is not drawn according to scale is called a sketch. Directions in the map. We all are familiar with the four major directions, north, south, east and west. These are called the four cardinal directions. In a map, its top always indicates north, bottom is south, right side is east and left is west. After the knowledge of these four directions, the sub-directions also need to be known. This figure shows various sub-directions that lie between the main directions. The idea of sub and cardinal directions helps us to understand the location of any place in a better way. Distance and scale of the map. The scale is used to calculate the distance between any two places on a map. It is the ratio between the distances as shown on the map to actual distance on planet Earth. So on a scale, a small distance indicates a large distance. For example, if it is indicated on scale that 1 centimeter is equal to 250 kilometers, then it means that 1 centimeter of map distance is equal to 250 kilometers of the actual distance. Color codes. Colors also play an important role in maps. Different colors are used to indicate different physical features. The specific color codes are unanimously used by map makers. Blue. It denotes oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, etc. Light blue indicates shallow waters, whereas deep blue indicates deep water bodies. Brown. Light brown denotes hills, whereas deep brown indicates lofty mountains. Yellow. It denotes deserts and agricultural land. Symbols and signs. We see objects like temple, mosque, church, road, bridge, river on a map. These objects on a map are shown by symbols and signs. The different symbols and signs used on the map are dots, lines, squares, triangles, and grids. Symbols and signs help us to read a map. An index key is given in every map. It is also called the map legend. This helps us to understand the symbols and signs given on a map. Now you know a map is a representation of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. There are 4 main directions: north, south, east, and west, which are called cardinal directions. A book of maps is called an atlas. Maps express information through lines, colors, and other symbols. The signs, symbols, and colors used in maps are almost always the same. An index key is given in every map. It is also called the map legend. Keywords: shallow, not deep, legend. It is an index key which helps us to understand the symbols, signs, and colors given on a map.